everyone, welcome back to How to Tutorials. In today's video, we will learn how to remove someone from group chat on Snapchat. For that, go to your Snapchat and make sure to get logged in just like me. Now tap on this chat icon on the left corner below, just at the side of the map icon. As you do this, you will get into your chat section. Now you can choose one of the group that you want to remove someone from. So I'm going to choose one of the group, and that can be done just by tapping on this messaging icon on the right corner on that group. So here, I'm onto this group here. Now what you need to do is tap on this profile bitmoji on the top right corner. As you do this, you can choose the group members here. So for that, tap on view more option. Now you can select that particular person that you want to remove. For that, just tap on that particular person's profile and hold it for a second, and you will get an option of remove from group. Tap on remove from group. So if you're sure you want to remove this particular person, all you have to do is tap on remove. So just by doing it, you have removed this particular person. Alright, so this is the first and foremost thing that you can do. But if you really want to remove them from somewhere else, what you can do is you can just search for that particular person's profile. All right, so I'm going to choose one of the profile from my own section or from my own chat section. So I'm going to choose whom to just remove. So I'm going to choose this particular person and hold that particular person's profile for a second, and I'll get an option of manage friendship here. So I'm going to tap on manage friendship and then tap on remove friend. So if I'm sure if I want to remove this particular person, all I have to do is tap on remove. So just by doing it, you can see that I have removed this person successfully. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video.